Hello, everyone. Today's topic discussion is about propulsion devices. And to begin, I propose you to have an overview of what constitutes a propulsion system by linking the components with the number in the plan. So, yeah.
So, the type of antenna made
With the
yes.
Okay. So for people online, if you want to participate, just turn on your microphone. It will be clearer for me. And just tell me like the component and the number, and I will just drag them towards the right direction. So do you have any idea? Yeah, Jay.
Number one is flywheel, maybe.
The number one, flywheel.
Yes.
Do other people have another opinion? No. Yeah.
Absorber.
Yeah, the absorber. Do you know the role of the absorber?
So
Absorb the vibration of the shaft wall. Then, other idea? Yes.
there's an answer from the second.
Flywheel. Yeah, that's it. Flywheel. Okay.
Number 4 is the engine.
Yeah, the engine. Yeah.
Number three, understood it. Yeah.
Someone says three is technique engine shooting.
Engine cylinder, yeah, right.
Number 8 is propeller.
Number 8, yeah, probably right.
And 6 transmission shafts.
Yeah.
7 is coupling. No.
Setting.
7, the flange.
It's coupling.
Yeah, it's coupling.
Yeah.
Do you know what is a flange? Someone?
It's number 2.
Yeah, and do you know the role of it? No.
Maybe to dump the vibrations from the absorber to the rest.
Yeah, right. It's supposed to, when you fix it to the absorber, the shaft pass through,
It doesn't.
and then it transfer the force right.
So it's for more resistance.
Yeah, resistance and to correctly transmit the force to the absorber so it can effectively, absorb the vibration. Do you have any maybe question about one of the components?
What is flywheel?
Flywheel. It's used sometimes to smooth the rotation of the shaft. Like thanks to the inertia of the wheel, it improves the rotation of the shaft. Okay, so this kind of propulsion system is just an example, not all propulsion systems look like that. So sometimes the engine technology can be different, and sometimes transmission technology can also be different, but it's a good example. And actually this one is a plan of an inboard propulsion system. So there is 2 main configurations of engines. So in both you have inboard engine, where the board is located inside or under the boat, and then outboard engine, where the engine is at the stern of the boat. So maybe we can try together to point some pros and cons of the two configurations. Yes.
For the inboard engine, the maintenance is easier because the engine is inside.
Easier, right? Yeah,
The ship is more streamlined for the inboard engine. Can you increase the font size?
oh yes. Sorry.
Better.
But maybe a con can be that there are more vibrations in the. You can feel more noise, disturbances, and vibrations in the ship.
for the inboard.
inboard one, I guess. But I think it's not an advantage. It's maybe
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. More vibration inside, right?
In growth or in the case of military, it is much safer for the hotel.
You mean for the inboard engine, they say for the
Yeah.
orbit inside?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And also like the engine is more protected from the outside things, corrosion.
And maybe for the outboard. Okay. Nodule change of profile propulsion direction.
What?
Justin, are you talking about inboard engine?
Take space inside for accounts.
Yeah.
But it's accounts.
Oh,
It's not
sorry.
a-
Yeah, yeah. Counts. Yeah. And do you have any ideas for the outboard engine? What can be maybe the pros or cons?
Or
Yeah, you go.
it's easier to drive backward.
Yeah. Yeah,
Easier to install.
easier to install. Yeah, easier to install and disinstall too.
You can use much more big expensive.
You can use bigger engine.
Yes.
Accepting. They are heavy problems. Where can I have access to the chat?
Up there is a.
Sur la vue. Avec le set.
At the top.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Thank you. Rear AV problem. Yeah, you're right.
If the water is shallow, you can just take it out the water. The boat, yeah.
Take off. Okay. Have you any more idea? Oh, yes.
It's more exposed.
Yeah. Okay. I think we are pretty good on this one. So if we focus more now on inboard engine, there is two kind of types, like two kind of technologies. So inside you can have V-drive engine, where the shaft there is in V form, and the other is a direct drive. It is a direct shaft, and the engine is at the middle of the boat. So, and the other is at the very back of the boat. So, can you see maybe some pros and cons? Maybe you can try to find more specific problem passenger. Yeah, for the V drive, I guess.
Yes.
I think.
Yeah. Okay.
The weight distribution is better for the direct drive.
Yeah.
Because it's at the center of the boat.
Yeah.
Or V drive or mechanical loss. For fun.
More mechanical what?
Yes. Loss.
Loss. Yeah, you're right, because of the shape. You make the test. You found
And maybe for the direct drive, since it's in the middle of the boat, it's more accessible, so easier to maintain.
Yeah. You have an idea? It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Now, what I propose to you is try to list together like type of energy that can be used for propulsion. And if in front of each kind of energy, you can put some kind of boats that use this technology, or maybe an era in the time where we use this energy would be great. Like, for example, I know that nuclear propulsion is used for naval vessels. So maybe we can try to list some kind of energy that you know. Oh, yes.
The wind,
Yeah, wind propulsion.
the wind power.
Fuel. I think steam power. Yeah, like
Electrical also.
gas turbine for warship. Yeah. Okay.
The sun, the solar panel,
Solar propulsion. Yeah.
hydrogen. You know, there is the Monaco Boat Challenge in Monaco every year. And they use hydrogen.
You participated.
Yes, I work in a project here.
Hydrogen and nitrogen gases, so well self for submarine.
And in a canoe kayak, the energy of the people.
Mechanical. Oh yeah. Okay, great. There is one kind of propulsion that we not mentioned, and I think that it's quite innovative. So let's have a look on it. It's the water jet propulsion. Oh, it's supposed to be the gate. So in this, so there, the water is absorbed, and then the turbine starts rotating and create a jet of water. So thanks to that, you can control the flow, the speed, and also the direction of the jet. And so maybe we're not too long, just to focus on this technology, maybe try to guess what can be the cons and pros of this technology and why it is not used so much nowadays.
Do you need an engine at the beginning to make the boat move?
To make the boat move?
Yeah.
You mean to start the movement?
Yeah.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
But where do you get the energy to get the jet over the water?
So thanks to the turbine, but I think it's powered thanks to some other kind of energy before. Yeah.
So maybe this is a con because
Yeah, you need something else.
you need something else.
And for pro, it's environmental friendly because you don't use
But we have a
fossil energy.
expenditure from the chat. This expensive. Yeah, cost rate. Sorry, Sam, can you?
Yeah, it's environmental friendly because you don't rely on fossil energy.
Yeah.
And it's quiet also
Yeah, quite.
because there is no noise compared to engine.
Okay. Okay, I think we can finish on this. Yeah, thank you.
Isn't what water jet propulsion, the engine jet ski.
Jet ski?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think so. Maybe there is some kind of jet skis using this, but I don't know.
Jet ski usually use jet propulsion.
Okay.
But ski means sliding over the water, so
Yeah.
motion. So ski, but propulsion is usually done by jet propulsion, but not necessarily jet propulsion.
Okay.
Usually, because it is small, and then they want to be touch on the sand,
Yeah.
shallow sand. That's why they use what's it?
Okay.
Rather than propeller. Propeller can be break when touching the sand, but not necessarily.
Is it possible to save this presentation?
Sure. But it's
I
dangerous
will
also.
send
No?
you. Okay, Kako.
Is it dangerous?
Hmm?
Because I've heard like many times people get injured when using jet ski because they fall just where the water go off
What, inlet or outlet?
out.
Outlet
So it's out them.
is a pumping. Is something like high pressure.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not because it's running, so it's not easy to catch it behind.
Ah, okay.
So, yeah, if it is stay and then pumping, then it can be dangerous. But it is running, so it's not easy to be hit. Right? Thank you very much.